Hello and good morning. Welcome. My name is Maurice Rothwell, International Trading Coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg, and we are logged in for the morning market opening trade in the DAX as always. So I'm going to switch over my screen and we're going to come into the MetaTrader 4 platform. Those of you who are familiar, in the top right hand corner we have our SwissBox here in gray, and it's very simple. If I go to the box lines and click those on, we're going to receive two lines in the chart, a red line and a green line. These represent two pending orders, the green one being a buy stop pending order and the red one being a sell stop pending order. We can see that there's 12.5 points of range in between the two lines. This is our trap range. So it's 12.5 points in the market price. And essentially what we want to do is we want to trap the market within the in between these two pending order lines. So I'm going to click here and trade what we call the C box this morning. And once I've placed my two lines, my trap range into the chart, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to press entry on. As soon as I press entry on, you see it highlight and turn yellow. So that means that the trap range is now active. And if we go down to the bottom, we can see that we've actually got, there was a buy stop and a sell stop placed at the same time. As you can see, we've actually gone past the red line and we've actually triggered our first trade into a sell position. As soon as the first trade is triggered, we get a blue line in the chart, and this is our take profit. Essentially, we're just waiting for the market to now drop further at the opening and come to our blue line, and once it hits the blue line, the trade is closed and we're out with profit. However, if the market does reverse and decides to go back up the chart and surpasses our green line, what's going to happen is we're going to trigger trade number 2 into a buy position. And then at that very moment, what will happen, our blue line will jump from the bottom of the chart to the top, and then we will have a new direction target. So then we will be trading the market up instead of down. And then once it hits the blue line, we close all the trades at the same time, and the leftover profit on top is actually our predetermined target percentage of 0.076%. Super easy and really great tool to use, as we don't actually need to know the direction of the market in which we're trading. We just need to know that the market we are trading is going to move. So it's a volatility trading tool and not a directional trading tool. So we still have 2 minutes until the opening here. So we're going to wait 2 minutes, and then at that 2 minute point, 9 o'clock German time, we should get the market move. We should get the market movement, and it should go down or up. And at that point, we should get a close on our trade. After that moment, we can then surpass and go over to our Volabox trading charts, which is it's a signal provider for our SwissBox. And these signals come out like these green boxes here, and they come out every hour on the hour. And they provide suggestions for us to place our SwissBox. So coming down to the very last minute before the opening now. Question there from the live trading room. Yeah, we're on the 5 minute chart, Kevin. Always 5 minute and 1 minute chart for the SwissBox. So there was the opening. We're just going to get it now in about 5 seconds. And as you can see, the market's already starting to get that pre-market volatility, and we have a straight reversal. Market goes up, comes down, straight into trade number 3. And then what we tend to do after we sort of go into trade number 4 and 5 We tend to extend these take profits a little bit further. First of all, start with the stop losses, and we'll move them up just a little bit further. So bit of a slow market there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the others. FTSE. So as we can see here, at 9 o'clock we get our Volabox signals for the SwissBox. We got one here and one at the bottom. Simply we just need to click on the circle there. Click on the circle, unlock the SwissBox and click entry on. And now we have a pending trap here. So as soon as the market falls down and falls into the box, the two pending orders will be activated and then the market will be trapped inside. So depending in which direction the market will go, will be the way that we're trading, the direction that we are trading. So market coming back down now in the DAX. What are you talking about, Kevin? Market, the European market opening is at 9 o'clock German time, so 8 o'clock in the UK. And then you have the London opening, which is actually at 9 o'clock UK time. However, the London market opening is mainly for currencies. You can still trade the FTSE at the European opening, as that's when it's going to receive most of its volatility. And then here we come down in third trade on the DAX. So just a few more points. As soon as it makes it over the blue line, it's going to close the trade down, and then we would have made our profit. And that is the market opening trade of the day. So everyone that's currently watching, whether it's first thing today or if you're watching the backlogs, thank you for watching. If you want to test the tools out for yourself, please don't forget to visit the website www.TradersClub24.com. Click on 30-day free trial, sign up with your email address, name and number, and someone will be in contact with you shortly after. Okay, so thank you very much and goodbye.